All right, so we got an outside spigot. We're going to be putting a shutoff valve on and replacing with a new one. I had to cut the ceiling to get there, but we have it right here, so get it ready. And just go ahead and push that out of there. All right, so we got that out. Let's see what kind of hole we have here to get that. Looks like it's probably big enough. Sucks that they cut it right on the mortar, but all right, so we got that pushed in now. We had to open the hole up a little bit, but now we're getting there. All right, so there's the other end of it, and then we got this. We're gonna get the shutoff valve on there, and then we'll bridge the gap between there and make our connection. One thing I did notice is when I made that cut, I noticed pinholes were starting here, so this was about to leak really bad anyway, so it's probably a really good time to get that. In fact, let's see how it looks in there. All right, so we got a shutoff valve that can go like that, back and forth. Now we're getting ready to put this in. I'm just gonna take that PEX and we're gonna make our bridge across. So here we go. All right, so here we are. We got everything going here. We're gonna go ahead and drill some tap cons in there to lock this down. All right, so we got that locked down, ready to go. Let's go check everything out in there. Make sure all the plumbing's right. We'll turn it on. We'll give it a test. So we got a all right, so there's our shutoff valve right here. Everything's installed. Let's go give it a test outside. All right, let's roll. And then we'll put that up when we get that. All right, here we go. Let's give it a try. There we go. Perfect. That's it. And we'll go check down there one more time. Check leak checks. Okay, looks good. Everything's good.